Hiya, welcome back to Colour With Me. Don't forget to download and print the picture from the link in the comments. Today we'll be doing colour by numbers. The video is broken down into 2 easy to follow steps with opportunities to pause while you finish each section. Now let's get started. Step 1. I'm going to use a black ballpoint pen to add some fur to the bear by adding squiggles to its face and hands. Remember, try to stay in the lines. Step 2. Now to add the colour. Today I'm using Sharpies and art markers. I'm going to work my way through the colours from 1 through to 12. Don't forget to pause the video while you finish each section. Light blue. Don't forget to take your time when colouring in and try and stay inside the lines. Go around the lines a few times if it helps. You may have noticed that I forgot to fill in the mask with number 1, so I'm just going to go back and do that now. You may have noticed that the fish aren't numbered, so now you can choose your own. I'm going to go with pinks and purples. And that's it finished. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon for more Colour With Me.